So we were done with the last part. In this, we are going to start proportions. Ratio were done with all of the question we have, and everything was done related to ratio. You can look around. So yes, in today's video we are going to see proportions. And that this is written, a proportion is an equation, okay, and that state that two ratios are equivalent. This means that could be like they are around equal. So some ratios which are just fractions, the ratio, as we discussed, the ratio can be fraction, decimal, percentage, and a lot of things. But any equation such as 4 upon 6, which is equal to 10 into 5, so this means each side is single fraction. In this equivalent, like in this proportion, you will see every single fraction is known as proportion, whereas in ratio it was both sides were ratios, okay. This is the difference, and usually proportion encourage on the set this basic point. So solve proportions by cross multiplying. If we have a is equal to c upon d, a upon b is equal to c upon d. So when we cross multiply, you will a with d, which would be equal with c and b. Just multiply like this, it will go from this side like this, okay. So first example we have here is, if 3 upon 7 is equal to x upon 85, so what is the number of x? This is very easy question. How? Just if this the number, this the value which is equal to x upon 84, we just studied, we have to cross multiply this with this one. When you cross multiply 3 into 84, that means you can write like this, which would be equal to 7x. So when 84 multiply with 3, you will get the value which is 252, 252, 252, which is equal to 7x. Okay, so this 7 is multiplying here, it's multiplying here, it will go on this side. This means it will be divided, 252 divided by 7, and it would be equal to x right now. So when you will multiply, you will find answer which is 7 ones are 7 and 736 are 252, 36. This means we can say x which is equal to 36. Okay, so till this we are done now. Example 9, if x plus 2 upon 17 is equal to x upon 16, so what is value of x plus 6 upon 19? So this means this is a little longer question, so let me pause and erase this. But only if you know the formula you can do everything. So the question here, you are just supposed to cross multiply both of them. So value here is 16. 16, when it will be cross multiply, you will find it is multiplied with x plus 2. So then it is equal to what? It is equal to a, it is equal, what's the question? 17x. So 17x. Okay, so now 16x 16x, when plus with 2, 16 2 is a 32, which is equal to 17x. 17x. So you can look around like this. So this means add x with x, this here is like, this means 16 is plus, adding here it will go on the side, it will be minus 16x. Simply we just got x, because 17 minus 16 we got 1, 1 is not 1, we cannot, we are not supposed to write, so x is equal to 32. This means now the value we find x plus 6, so where there is x, add 32. This means 32 added with 6, and it would be divided with 19. This is the addition, 6 plus 6, so 32 plus 6, it will be 38 upon 19. So when you will divide them, you will get the answer which is 2, because 19 1 the 19, 19 2 is a 32. So this means we can say x is equal to 2, x is only 2. So that's the answer. I'm